Today, we are diving into the world of interior design and sharing some valuable tips on how to arrange furniture in the way that aesthetically pleasing. Whether you are moving into a new place or simply look to give our current space a fresh look, these tips will help you to create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Tip number 1. Start with a plan. Before you start moving furniture around, take a moment to access the layout of your room and make a rough sketch on or you can arrange mentally you can say mental note for your vision. Consider the size and shape of the room as well as any architectural feature or focal point you want to highlight. Tip number 2. Define the focal point. Every room should have a focal point such as a fireplace, a large window or a piece of artwork. Arrange your furniture in a way that emphasizes this focal point and create a natural flow within the space. Tip number 3. Create conventional area. When arranging seating, aim to create cozy conversation area. Place sofas and chairs facing each other to encourage interaction and make the room feel more inviting. Don't forget to leave enough space for people to move comfortably around the furniture. Tip number 4. Consider traffic flow. Think about how people will move through the room and arrange furniture accordingly. Ensure there are clear pathway and that furniture placement does not obstruct the natural flow. This will make the room feel more spacious and functional. Tip number 5. Play with the scale and proposition. Or you can say play with scale and quantity. Mix and match furniture pieces of different sizes to create a visual interest. A combination of large and small items can add depth and balance to the room. Just be mindful not to overcrowd the space or use furniture that overcome the room's proposition. Tip number 6. Use rugs to define areas. Rugs can be great tools or dividing a room into different functional areas. Place rugs under furniture grouping to anchor them and create a scene of cohesion. Ensure that the rug is large enough to accommodate all the furniture in the grouping. Tip number 7. Don't forget about lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in the overall ambience of the room. Make sure you have a mix of lighting sources such as overhead fixture, floor lamping and table lamps. Position them strategically to create warm and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 8. Add decorative accents. Once you have arranged the main furniture piece, it's time to add those furniture touches. Incorporate decorative accents like throw pillows, artwork, and plants to infuse personality and style into the room. These elements can tie the whole space together and make it feel complete. And that's all our top tips for arranging furniture in an aesthetic pleasing way. Remember, the key is create a layout that is both functional and visually appealing. Take your time, experiment, and don't be afraid to rearrange things until you find the perfect arrangement to your space. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video. Happy arranging, happy decor.